Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for coming. Today we'll be making this very beautiful bag. Yes, the bag is a luxury Ankara bag. So colorful material. See the material, very beautiful. A clutch bag. Yeah, let's get started. This is the material. The wrong side of the fabric facing up. And here is the measurement. The length is 18 inches while the width is 11 inches. The base of the bag is 2 inches. From the height, I cut out 2.5 inches. If you check some of my tutorials on tote bag making, you will understand more about the cutting of the base. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section, or you can watch my previous videos on how to make tote bag. I've explained in some of my videos. Now we are applying gum to the marco. We call it marco here in Nigeria. They also call it EVA foam. Apply marco all to the surface of the material. The first one, and the front and the back panel. We have the front and the back panel, so two panels all together. Now it's time to apply gum on the wrong side of the fabric. Here am I applying gum rather. You make sure the gum is all through the material. It is well saturated. Apply on the two panels, the front and the back of the bag. Yes, after applying gum to the wrong side of the fabric, you place the wrong fabric down and take the EVA foam, the stiffener, you place it on top of the material of the fabric. Note, the material will be down, the EVA foam will come on top of it, and you use your hand or any equipment you have, any tool, to smoothen it. Yes, now I'm using my hand to make it smooth. You see some wrinkles, you smooth it. And what other thing that work very good is iron. You can also iron it. After doing this, I will take it to the iron and bring back. Now I've ironed it, it look smoother. And I fold that part, the up part, I apply gum and fold it. That's the top of the bag. That is where, yes, I fold the upper part, I apply gum and fold it. You see, I leave space I can use to fold at the top. Your material will be more than your stiffener, the EVA foam, also known as marco in Nigeria. The reason I'm putting material, a vinyl material, synthetic material, is to make it more stronger, to be more durable. If I should leave it with the marco alone, it won't serve well. That is why I'm adding this thing to it, the material. I put it and I sew it round. This one we are using for the handle holder, the ring, the D-ring. So that is where we'll put the D-ring. The measurement is 4x1. The initial measurement of the fabric I cut is 3 inches, the width is 3 inches, while the length is 8 inches. That 8 inches I cut it into two. That is four for the right, for the front, and four for the back. I've sewn it to the panel, to the two panels, one by the right, the other one the left side. As you can see, you see.
Sometimes, all you need is a little bit of confidence. Sometimes, just a little bit of self-respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone and take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew you'd never be mine. It's just me in my own skin. Here in the crowd, I am so my own place. Nobody's buying my life. Smile on my face, surprise. Wishing me out for the cool kids to see. I'm just a scared dreaming of what I could be. Oh, I wish that Sometimes all you need is a little bit of confidence. Sometimes just a little bit of self-respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone, take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew you'd never be mine. Never. It's just me in my old skin.